Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 30th through January 11th. For December 30th to 3rd, models and ensembles are in good agreement with the flow. We have a ridge here over the Eastern Pacific and a ridge over the Caribbean with above normal heights in the east. And we have a trough here in the west with a split flow. A series of waves, let me see if I can get to the map. A series of waves will produce heavy rainfall potential in areas just west and east of lower Mississippi Valley and parts of the middle Atlantic and the southeast. And we're going to look at the air. Here's this is rain. This here is snow. This is the GFS. Let me go back and forth. This is the GFS FV3 version. And I want to take a look here at the upper, here's the surface map. Here's the low here, cold front, heavy rain. But I want to take a look at the upper air pattern. Oops. Okay, here's the upper air pattern. Here's the low, here's the upper low. And here's our ridge off the southeast coast. And you see the strong dip. And this strong southerly flow is bringing deep moisture, and this will produce heavy rainfall for a lot of the areas east of the Mississippi River. Okay, and some of this moisture could extend further north at times. And the first event would be Sunday into Monday. So we'll go back to the maps. This will be Sunday into Monday. Let's see if I can get back to it. Sunday into Monday. Oops. Sunday into Monday again. Okay, here's Sunday. So you can see we have rain here. In the green, this is this is the GFS. Let me see. This is the GFS thicknesses, and notice where the 540 line is, far to the north. And then we go into Monday. Some of this will be in the form of snow and ice, and then we look at the European ensembles. Now the European deterministics. And again, the 540 line is far to the north, almost into Canada. As the wave tracks northeast from the western Gulf of Mexico through the lower Mississippi Valley and into the northeast, the trailing front will produce, like it would cause additional rain, enhanced rainfall Tuesday across the Gulf Coast. Moisture reaching the Great Lakes and New England should be in the form of snow, especially with lake effect behind the low exiting New England. For the west, an amplifying trough will lead the northern tier and will spread areas of precipitation southward through and just west of the Rockies, as well as light amounts into the northern plains. Go look at the period for now for January 2nd to the 6th. The pattern progresses eastward. And we're going to show you this. Progresses eastward with the Eastern Pacific Ridge moving inland and pushes the western trough into the plains, and the ridge remains over the Caribbean with above normal heights over the southeast. So you're looking at the GFS. And then we look at the other models. You see here's the trough, here's the ridge building in. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here in portions of the west. Forecast anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And then below normal temperatures, the forecast here. with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then above normal precipitation forecast for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to look at the period for January 7th to the 11th, and the pattern continues to shift eastward. This is the GFS. Look at this. Above normal heights across much of the nation. But then this is the GFS ensembles. And there's the European. And we have this subtropical ridge that kind of retreats. Now, there are signs of modification of the cold air that comes into the plains that will head east due to lack of snowfall. So I wanted to take a look at the snowfall map. Let's see if I have it. Okay, here it is. I don't know if you can see this. And this is an animation of the current snowfall. So the lack of snowfall here, that any cold air that progresses over here will moderate. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, and then near to below normal temperatures for areas of the east, with anomalies of up to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%, and then above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. This is a long-range weather forecast discussion for December 30th to January 11th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.